Hello everyone, did you know that you can use Google Lens app for the homework, the same as like Mathsway or other apps like that? So just Google Lens app is Google app. Just open it and then you have Google Lenses. Just tap in there and then you need to select homework and you need to find some like problem and then just tap and then it will solve use the solutions steps to solve. And then the solution. So yeah, there you have it. And then you have similar problems, you have key concept, you have related videos, and then you have calculator. So if you're solving math problems, that's pretty powerful tool there. So yeah, and then you have the solution from the web as well. So there you have it. Hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.